All right, today I'm going to teach you how to become a more active citizen in your community by being a political advisor with ChatGPT. This is a really powerful way to review what's going on around you, what politicians are saying, what their agendas are, and being able to craft some arguments in the opposite in a persuasive and influential way. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a prompt called, now if I just go into my prompt fabric and I go, I think it's analyze claims. So you are an objectively minded, centrist orientated analyzer of truth, claims, and arguments. You specialize in analyzing and rating the truth claims made in the input provided and providing both evidence in support of these claims as well as counter arguments and counter evidence. So there's a whole bunch of material in there, but basically the point of this is to look at a piece of text, a position, a debate, or something along those lines, and basically to be able to analyze the claims being made, to be able to form a basis to either agree with those claims or to write a position in opposition. So if I grab that and I just put that into ChatGPT, what we can also do is we can go and find either the Hansard or we can find transcripts on YouTube. Most members put a lot of their material on their website, so you can go and grab the speech or the video. Now, even if they've got a video, you could record that video, you could have that transcribed. There's lots of tools that enable you to do that. But in YouTube, if you go into the bottom down here, they've always got a transcription built in that you can lift so as that ChatGPT can index it. So let's grab that. So this is a speech from Elizabeth Watson Brown from the Greens. So we're going to analyze her claims with this prompt. Okay, so here's the claim. Here's the supporting evidence. Here's some no logical fallacies. So she's actually done a really good job here in crafting this argument, in that most of the things that she's written are pretty factual. It's not a lot controversial. This is her maiden speech, so you'd kind of expect that. But let's say I was politically opposed to this person and I wanted to dig deeper and I wanted to create some opposition to this. So what I did was I just created this little prompt here. If I was to write a speech slamming her claims, being as devious and political astute as possible, what points would I hone in on and how would I attack them without alienating fair-minded people? So if we run that prompt, undermine with practicality, expose contradictions, position yourself as pragmatic and balanced, subtly delegitimize her as out of touch. So we've got attack lines, we've got the angle, attack line, the angle, the attack line, the angle. So as you can see, and I could say, please use that material to craft me a letter in opposition to her views to send to her office. So as you can see, the mental effort required to respond these days in your constituency has really, really dropped. All this content is out there. You can create speeches, you can create feedback, and you can participate in the process if you so wish. I just want to point out that this topic's irrelevant. It's just for example purposes. Check it out.